Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Angga Candra. We will present our article with a title Lean Manufacturing Analysis to Increase the Profit of Small Medium Enterprise. Well, we go to the first discussion. This study aims to analyze the lean manufacturing method in production to increase the profit of small medium enterprise (SME). This type of research is qualitative research. Using the lean manufacturing suppression method, the existing waste in product production, otak-otak bandeng, and jubung can be identified. The analysis used in this study is an interactive model. Background which underlies this research is the important role of SMEs in economic development. We conduct this research in the production sector of UKM Sari Kelapa. It is hoped that UKM players can compete by reducing useless activities. UKM Sari Kelapa has waste in production activities. Waste divides into two types, namely type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is waste that does not add value in production flow, but their activity is unavoidable for various reasons. Meanwhile, type 2 is waste that does not add value and must be reduced immediately. Research methodology. This research approach is qualitative research. Type and source. 1. Data type. The type of data in this study are primary and secondary data. Primary data is the source of data that directly provides data to data collector. Meanwhile, secondary information is an indirect source that provides data to data collector. In this study, the secondary data sources were grabbed are book, literature, and journal. Unit of analysis and information. The unit of analysis in the research to be researched was manufacturing in the field of product production, otak-otak bandeng, and jubung in UKM Sari Kelapa. Key informant in this study is the head of the production section that will be discussed is the production of product, otak-otak bandeng, and jubung. Data analysis technique. This study used the concept of Mills and Haberman. Concept Mills and Haberman is an interactive model which classifies data analysis into the three steps, namely 1. Data reduction. 2. Presentation of data or display data. 3. Verification or conclusion drawing. Result. Data presentation. In this study, the presentation of data is in the form of table to make it easier for reader. It can be seen in the product table that they are very keen of waste list. For example, number 3, there is a waste list defect with a waste of the packaging is damaged with its impact on poor leaf quality. After knowing the waste from each production sector, now determine the priority risk of each waste. Risk analysis. Risk analysis is used to identify the root cause of waste the risk is. The analysis in this research is risk analysis, Australian standard or New Zealand standard, 2004. We can see in the milk fish table the risk of the impact of waste is in the R3 code. Officers are less skilled in taking milk fish turn with 15 points. In this research, two root cause with the Higgs score will be taken to become the main priority for improvement proposal by previously known problem. After knowing the risk priorities, then further improvement will be proposed. Proposed improvement 1. Proposed improvement to product production. A. There is no regulation for the collection of rice raw material. Code R1. The process of storing rice product production still use the method LIFO or last in first out and must be replaced using the FIFO methods or first in first out. FIFO methods used to avoid damage to items that have been stored for too long. B. Employees are less steady when sewing leaf. Code R5. Suggestion for improvement that can be given to conduct training with on-the-job methods for employees and perform maintenance on sewing machine. 2. Proposed improvement in the field of milkfish production. A. Employees are less skilled in taking milkfish spin. Codes are 3. Suggestions for improvement that can be given to conduct skill training for new employees with expert assistance. 3. Proposed improvement in the field of jubung production. A. There is no storage cover for the finished product. Code R3. Suggest improvement that can be given are related to the root cause of the problem by closing the connector with a clean cover or preparing the storage place. B. Not yet made a production process procedure. Exercise activity in the production process of jubung is in the activities of packaging to in OP. Well, following is the flow of the production process from our proposed improvement so that there is no waste over process. Recommendation 1. There is a need for a supplier of raw material that can send for purpose in large quantities. 2. Make a screen printing on a plastic bag as a second of buying at Sari Club. 3. UKM Sari Kelapa sold register on the online platform which provides a place to sell online. 4. UKM Sari Kelapa needs to make continuous improvement to minimize the waste that occurs in SME's operational activities.
Okay, that's all for the presentation of our article, more or less. Apologize. Thank you.